Before buying a mirror dash cam, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Let's dig into the top 5 options that actually deliver on their promises.
Product number 1, Wolfbox G840S. The Wolfbox G840S is a 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam that immediately caught my eye with its impressive features and a price tag of $129.99. If you want stunning clarity on the road, this is worth a serious look. What really stands out about the G840S is its upgraded 4K UHD clarity. This means you can actually zoom in and identify a face from 30 feet away, which is crucial if an accident happens. Plus, with a 170-degree front and a 140-degree rear lens, it offers a wider field of view to minimize blind spots. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi lets you connect your phone to view recordings right from the Wolfbox app, making access super easy. And don't forget the night vision feature. It ensures you get clear images even in low light conditions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With over 3,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice among drivers. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the performance is generally worth a little hassle. Trust me, the peace of mind you gain is more than worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid dashcam without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler installation process or don't need high resolution. For the price, it's a fantastic value for the features you get. Now, if the installation complexity of the G840S bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Wolfbox G930. The Wolfbox G930, a 10-inch rearview mirror camera priced at $139.99. If you want a user-friendly dashcam with solid features, this could be the one for you. The G930 offers a 4K front and 1080p rear resolution, giving you a clear view of your surroundings. The smart sliding feature lets you easily switch between different camera views. Plus, the enhanced 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi gives you quick access to videos via the Wolfbox app, which is a game changer for sharing your footage. And with the WDR technology, it balances light exposure, making driving in high contrast situations much safer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 2,000 units sold recently, it's clearly meeting the needs of many drivers. However, some users reported connectivity issues with the app at times. I'll be real with you. While this could be a hassle for some, most people find that the overall performance compensates for any minor glitches. This is perfect for you if you want a good mix of features and ease of use. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced GPS tracking or additional high-tech features. With the included 64GB card, it's a great value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for extra features. Product number 3, Wolfbox G850. Let's talk about the Wolfbox G850, another 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam priced at $139.99. If you want a larger screen for better visibility, you'll want to check this one out. The G850 features a striking 12-inch display that makes it easy to read important details like road signs and license plates. With real 4K resolution and advanced voice control, it lets you operate the camera with simple commands, which means you can keep your hands on the wheel. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity allows for quick downloads, and the enhanced night vision ensures you get clear images even in dim conditions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It sold over 1,000 times last month, indicating it's a popular pick among drivers who prioritize safety. Now, there are some complaints about the voice control sometimes misinterpreting commands. Here's the thing though, if you don't mind occasionally repeating yourself, the convenience it offers while driving is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a large display combined with user-friendly features. Skip this one if you prefer a more compact design or don't need voice commands. Given its features, it's definitely a smart investment. Now, if the voice control of the G850 seems like a nice feature, you'll want to hear about the next model that takes this a step further. Product number 4, Wolfbox G850 Pro, priced at $179.99. If you're looking for advanced safety features, this one definitely stands out. This model includes ADAS technology that alerts you about potential collisions, making it a great choice if safety is your top priority. The dual 4K recording ensures you capture every detail, and the enhanced blind spot detection provides additional security while merging or changing lanes. Plus, the voice control feature lets you manage settings without distraction. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 1,000 units sold recently, drivers are clearly valuing the extra safety it provides. However, some users mention that the ADAS alerts can be a bit sensitive. Here's the thing though,
If you're someone who appreciates being warned about potential dangers, this feature could be invaluable. This is perfect for you if you want advanced safety tech in your dashcam. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly or simpler. At this price point, it offers a lot for the features included. Finally, if advanced safety features are what you're after, the next one on our list ups the ante even further.
Product number 5, Wolfbox G900 Pro. We have the Wolfbox G900 Pro, priced at $319.99. If you want the best in clarity and features, this is one to consider seriously. With a front 4K and rear 2.5K resolution, this dashcam captures stunning detail. The StartVis IMX678 technology ensures great performance even in low light, which is crucial for night driving. The smart voice control and high-speed Wi-Fi make managing your recordings effortless. This matters for you specifically. It's gained traction with 1,000 units sold recently, indicating it's meeting the needs of serious drivers. However, the price point is on the higher side, and some may find it hard to justify. Yet, if you're someone who truly values top-tier imaging and features, this investment could save you from headaches down the line. This is perfect for you if you're serious about capturing every detail on the road. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just need basic functionality. Given its advanced features, many users find it worth the investment.
The Wolfbox G840S offers great value for clarity. The G930 brings ease of use. The G850 excels in display size. The G850 Pro enhances safety with advanced features. And the G900 Pro delivers top-notch imaging. Depending on what you prioritize, there's definitely a mirror dashcam here for you.